Hello everyone, in this series of Incredible India, in today's video we are gonna explore the city which is rich in mineral resources, archaeological and historical significance, at the same time geologically very rich. Yeah, I am talking about Madhya Pradesh. This case study gonna be very interesting and informative at the same time. So I request you to watch it till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. So, firstly, let's explore Khajuraho. Basically, it's a group of temples, archaeological and historical sites with stunning temples adorned with intricate sculpture and execute carving. It was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It consists of 85 temples, 25 were survived till now. Basically, it was made by Chandela dynasty and Nagra style में से बनाया गया है. And erotic sculptures or basically erotic art is one of the most important aspect of this type of intricate carving which you can see or explore. Now let's discuss reason behind erotic art at that time. Number one is to provide sexual education. Number second, in Hindu religion, basically there are four pillars: dharma, arth, kam, and moksha, which are symbolically represent in this type of erotic form, or we can say erotic art. On number third, we have basically to educate people about the concept of evolution, relationship between God and human, and to represent various shades of life, that is spirituality, love and devotion. बेसिकली उस टाइम के लोग आज से ज़्यादा लिबरल रहे होंगे और ये जो साइन है इसे एज वल्गर नहीं कंसिडर किया जाता था. इससे आर्टिस्टिक सिग्नेचर भी लोगों के मिले हैं यहाँ पे. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये आर्टिस्टिक एक्सीलेंस का बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एग्जाम्पल है. तो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट एरोटिक आर्ट विच यू कैन एक्सप्लोर इन खजुराहो. सो अगर हम कुछ टेम्पल्स डिस्कस करें जो कि एरोटिक आर्ट के लिए फेमस हैं, तो ऑन नंबर वन वी हैव कोणार्क सन टेम्पल जो कि उड़ीसा में सिचुएटेड है. ऑन नंबर सेकंड वी हैव विरूपाक्षा टेम्पल जो कि हम्पी कर्नाटका में है. और केवल हिंदू ही नहीं बल्कि एक जैन टेम्पल भी है दैट इज रनकपुर जो कि राजस्थान में सिचुएटेड है. Madhya Pradesh is basically very rich in mineral resources and has a significant mining industry. On number one, we have coal. Basically, it's the largest coal producer in India and it includes Singrauli coal field. And on number second, we have Sohagpur. Basically, it's a part of Shahdol district. On number second we have diamond. It's the only Indian state जहाँ पे diamond mining होती है, that is Panna district. And on number third we have manganese and copper. Manganese basically steel production में include है और copper basically it's all about Balaghat. On number fourth we have dolomite, iron and steel industry. Now let's explore geological wonders of Madhya Pradesh. On number one we have marble rock at Beda Ghat. These are formed basically due to tectonic activities, mineral resources, erosional and depositional process, volcanic activity, fossil records, cultural and historical significance. On number second we have Bhimbetka rock shelter. On number third is Balancing Rock in Jabalpur. And on number fourth we have Patalpani waterfall.